Welcome to English Language Club. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we are going to discuss correction of sentence. Actually, correction of sentence or error correction requires a special skill as it involves a number of factors. The first factor is spotting. The first factor is spotting or identification of the error, and second factor identification the type of error, and third one correction the error. Third one correction the error. Actually, the following exercise is to create awareness in you with regard to typical mistakes committed in English by foreign learners of the language. So the following exercise we are going to discuss what are the rules come across in the correction of sentences. The first one, I met a student who hate mathematics. I met a student is the root sentence. So what is the verb here? The verb is here verb second form. I is the subject, met is a verb second form, a student is a object. Who is relative pronoun? Who hate mathematics? Actually, verb second form indicates simple past tense. Verb second form indicates simple past tense. So that's why the sentence is in the simple past tense. But here what is the verb is given? Verb first form. So we change the verb second form. So that's why we are writing here hated. I met a student who hated mathematics. మనకి ఇచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్ ఏమో సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడేమో వెర్బ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ రాశాడు. అప్పుడు మనం దీన్ని దేంట్లో రాయాలి? వెర్బ్ సెకండ్ ఫామ్లో రాస్తే ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఐ మెట్ ఏ స్టూడెంట్ హూ hated mathematics. This is the correct one. Sheila would likes to make a suggestion. Sheila would likes to make a suggestion. Actually, likes verb plus s. Verb plus s comes in the simple present tense. But here what is given here? Here given modal verb. Will, shall, can, may, would, should, could, might. These are the modal verbs. Modal verb requires only bare infinitive. Modal verbs require only bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means the verb does not consist of s or es or ed, like, play, make. These are the bare infinitives. That means the verb does not consist of s or es or ed. That is called bare infinitive. So whenever modal verb gives in the sentence, we write only bare infinitive. So Sheila would like to make a suggestion. This is the correction in the sentence. And third one, Pramod is one of my best friends. Actually, we have many friends. We have many friends. So one of the person is Pramod. One of the person is Pramod. So whenever one of comes in the sentence, the next part of the noun must be plural. Whenever one of the comes in the sentence, the adjunct noun must be plural. But here given singular. So that's why we change the singular noun into plural. So write friends. This is the correct one. So Pramod is one of my best friends. Chandni is one of my students in nursing college. So actually there are many students in the BSc nursing, but Chandni is one of my students, nursing students. This is very important. And next one, and fourth one, there are less girls than boys in this class. There are less girls. Actually, less is mistake. Why? Because less is used with uncountable nouns. So girls are countable nouns, boys are countable nouns, benches are countable nouns. Okay, so whenever countable nouns comes before the countable nouns, we used to. Here is the right answer, because the sentence is in comparative sentence, comparative degree. So in the comparative, because than is given in the sentence, that's why the sentence is in the comparative degree. Comparative degree lo less ki samanamaina word, the equal word for the less is fewer. Actually fewer is usually with countable nouns, less is usually with uncountable nouns. Okay, that's why right, there are fewer girls than boys in this class, right? Most of our students come from rural areas. Most of our students come from rural areas. Actually here there are two nouns, one is most, another one is students. This one is one noun, this one is one noun. So the subject divided by the preposition of. The subject is divided by the preposition of. So which subject give importance? We give importance to the first one. We give importance to the first one. Most always requires a singular verb. Most always requires a singular verb. But here come is a, it is a singular, but sorry, it is a present tense, but it requires whenever singular verb consists of yes, comes is right. Most of our students comes from rural areas. This is the next. We made a united effort. United effort. United. So whenever you write in the Hindi, U is correct. This is one U. In Telugu, U. These are the consonant letters. This one is the consonant letter in Hindi. This one is the consonant letter in English. So united is the pronunciation. Pronunciation is the consonant pronunciation. The word is vowel, but the pronunciation is a consonant. ఏదైనా ఒక పదాన్ని తెలుగులో రాసినప్పుడు ఆ అక్షరము కా నుంచి ఆరావాల మధ్యలో వస్తే దాని ముందర యానే పెడతాం, ఏ పెడతాం, దాని ముందర ఏ పెడతాం, యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ గివెన్ యాన్ is wrong. The right answer is A correct. We made a united effort. You made a united effort because this was the consonant sound. Actually the letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant. Whenever the letter, for example, take the one example, bus, write in Telugu, bus, it is a consonant letter. Write in Hindi, bus. This one is a consonant letter in Hindi. So whenever consonant comes, letter, write A. Okay. I have a copy of Bible. I have a copy of Bible. What is the mistake here? The mistake is here. Before the sacred books, we write the article the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishad, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. Before the books of the sacred book, before the devoted books, we write the article the. This is the correct one. He reads the book very fastly. Generally, the science students, especially the science students, use these words fastly, mostly, tastily, sweetly. Actually, this kind of words are not existed in English language. These kinds of words are not existed in English language. What is the right word? The right word is past. He reads the book very fast. The horse runs very fast. You write the notes very fast. That is the right one. Don't write fastly in English language. Sweetly, tastily, smellily. These kind of words are not existed in the English language. And next, he does not has any friends. Actually, have, had. Their root word is have. Actually, has, had comes from the have. So have is a root word or a basic word. So whenever helping verb comes in the sentence, we write only a root word or base word, or bare infinitive, So what is the root word here? The root word is here have. Why should write? Because already helping verb is given in the sentence. ఎప్పుడైతే సెంటెన్స్లో హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఇచ్చేసాడో దాని తర్వాత రాయవలసింది ఏంటంటే మనం రూట్ వర్డ్ కానీ బేస్ వర్డ్ కానీ బేర్ ఇన్ఫినిటివ్ కానీ రాయాలి. సో హ్యాజ్, హ్యావ్, హ్యాడ్కి బేర్ ఇన్ఫినిటివ్ కానీ రూట్ వర్డ్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే హ్యావ్ అనే వర్డ్ వస్తుంది. అందుకే ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫ్రెండ్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.